Good night. This is my oral presentation for English Level 2. First of all, introduce myself. After that, talk about my trip experience in Codazzi Cesar. Then, the weather in Codazzi Cesar. And to finish, recommendation in YouTube Codazzi Cesar. My name is Joana Barrera. I am 26 years old. I live in the city of Santa Rosa Sur de Bolívar. My family is my husband. I am an administrative assistant and I study environmental engineering. My trip experience in Codazzi Cesar. First of all, the last vacation I made in June with my husband. We visited the city of Codazzi Cesar. We stayed there 3 days and to Naison with me several friends. After that, we showed the Kitatas from Codazzi to that Perijá mountain range. The week was the great trails you had better. Not forget the body spray as mosquitoes may bother. The weather in the Perijá Mountains is cool at night, and in an afternoon it usually rains. And should not forget to get your camera, and you should it will be more comfortable to travel with you long way. And to finish, if you plan to go to Codazzi Cesar, you should check the price of transport and hotel. Once you are there, you will find many places to visit. You can go to the shore, the Divine Chesperet, to the Guitar Pass. You will find very comfortable hotel and typical dishes such as tanch arepa and chicken stew. You will pass is amazing. Thank you.